Hello, friends. Let's make a yummy sandwich together. First, we wash our hands to keep them clean. Now, let's gather our ingredients. We need 2 slices of bread, some tasty cheese slices, fresh lettuce leaves, juicy tomato slices. Place 1 slice of bread on a plate. Add the cheese on top of the bread. Next, layer the lettuce and tomatoes. Cover it with the 2nd slice of bread. Gently press down to hold it together. Carefully cut the sandwich in half. Look at our colorful sandwich. Time to take a big bite. Yum! We made a delicious sandwich. Great job, little chefs. See you next time for more fun adventures.